So therefore I put the question,
Mutigo uria ukoretwo wihiriirie wa atumia kwiyumiragia riria athuri makua niguo kugairwo utonga uria watigwo na kwagagia aria matigwo wahota gukinya muthia angikorwo bunge ya bururi ni kuhitukia riendekithia ria watho riria ritamanitio bunge-ini ni mubunge wa Homa Bay Town Peter Kaluma ria ugai wa indo muthuri kana mutumia akua. Kuringana na riendekithia riri na riria rithomirwo itena ria mbere bunge-ini umuthi, ugai wa indo hari mundu uria wakua ritigagwo kuri mutumia kana muthuri uria ukurikanite kiwatho hamwe na ciana ciao noguo guikia nja andu aria meyumiragia makienda gukuruhanio hari ugai wa utonga kumana na ndugu cia mahutini kana tucungwa.
Honorable Speaker, slay queens have slayed their way into family properties and reaped where they have not sown, Honorable Speaker, which is, Honorable Speaker, pathetic, Honorable Speaker, because there is no burial that have been postponed for our female colleagues, but for the male, it is a problem, Honorable Speaker, because of this issue of the slay queen.
You will recall that almost every time a wealthy individual passes on, there's always a fight, and this fight is about his wealth. And many times funerals do not take place for months on end because there is people coming out of the woodwork claiming to be part and parcel of that individual's family.
Mr. Speaker, you find someone dies, and for 20 years, the children are languishing in poverty and the grandchildren, and yet the wealth of that person is a contest in court.
Agimendekithĩtie kugaya utonga wa mutigaire watho-ini uyu ni aciari a miena yeri aria maciaranĩirwo nao, ciana cia kũiyũkio kana adopted hamwe na aria metainwo nao na marateithagio ni mutigaire mbere ya gĩkuũ gĩake.
That we need to remove this definition of former wife and wives. Either you are a wife or you are not. The moment you are no longer my wife, we should, when I'm still alive, we should agree when you are departing, leaving me as a wife, as my wife, to either go with your portion of my wealth or you leave them.
And you know, it is pathetic that it only affects the rich, those who have something to be inherited, Honorable Speaker. So people are not interested of the dead. They are not interested of the person who have passed on. They are interested with the properties.
Although the bill actually lists all the dependents who can benefit, we also need to arrange it in categorical order. Who is supposed to inherit which one, first and second and third and up to the last person.
Kaluma hari mutaratara uyu ningi niendekithĩtie athuri kugayaga utonga wa atumia ao riria makua hatari guthie igoti-ini kuonania nwe muthuri wa mutumia ucio. Mutaratara uyu utanyitwo gucokio bunge-ini kiumia giukite guthomwo itena ria keri mbere ya warĩrĩirio rita ria gatatu na guikirio kura.
To Barasa, who is top on the list, had already spoken.
Kiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.